Hello guys, Judy in here from Just8Ate.com. Today I'm here at It's a Grind Coffee House. Now if you're here in Moore Park, California and maybe going to Moore Park College, this would be a great spot for you to have some coffee and maybe do some homework. That's right, I said homework because you know as YouTubers we have homework to do. Anyways, so today I'm here to meet up with an awesome YouTuber. If you guys don't know, you have to definitely check her out because if you like my look today, my hair and my outfit, then you definitely love Yester Kitchen. That's right, Yester Kitchen is an awesome channel that you have to check out. So here's Jill!
Yeah.
Yester Kitchen. Jill's gonna come up with a Alright, so we got Jill!
Hey!
So Jill, go ahead and explain to us what's your channel all about and channel name and all that good stuff.
Okay, so Yester Kitchen is all about retro cooking. I mostly teach recipes from the 40s to the 80s, and I go into every episode I pick a dish, and I talk about why the dish was popular, maybe even how it came to be, like who created it, and the stories behind these dishes are so cool.
Yes.
And then I make the original dish, which is not always very healthy, but always very good.
Yummy and tasty.
So
Right, and so Jill is here to meet up with me and do the 8 this or that. Are you ready for 8 this or that?
I'm so ready.
Okay, but first let me go ahead and ask you a few more questions about your channel.
Okay.
So what's the #1 or top 3 videos that you're definitely proud of on your channel?
Let's see. Sloppy Joe is #1
Okay.
because it's the most popular one I have.
Okay.
And
But Sloppy Joe's is so amazing and yummy.
they're so amazing, and they have a cool story.
Yes.
Which I'll tell you about
Yes.
on the video.
That's right. So check out her video.
And probably the one I just released this week is cream spinach, but it's from Laurie's Prime Rib cream spinach, and it's so good, and it's part of my Thanksgiving series, and it's one of my favorite foods ever.
Okay.
So that. And then I think the last one, I did one on cheese fondue because I love the 70s more than anything.
Okay.
And it was so popular then, and I even dress up.
Nice. Awesome. Cool. All right, so let's get into 8 this or that. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Coffee. Soup or salad?
Soup.
Soup.
100%.
Okay. Chicken noodle soup or clam chowder?
Oh, clam chowder.
Clam chowder. I'm thinking on my feet here. So I don't know, strawberry or oranges?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. Let's see. Oh, a panini sandwich or just a regular sub sandwich?
Panini.
A panini.
All the way.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see if you like authentic dishes. Now, do you want to say you like, I don't know, Japanese food or Vietnamese food?
Oh.
Oh,
I love
curveball.
Asian food.
Asian food.
Period.
Okay.
So maybe Japanese would edge it out because I do love sushi.
Okay, you love sushi. What kind of sushi do you like? Is it more like tuna or salmon?
Salmon.
Salmon.
But I like them both. But yeah.
Okay, okay. Let's see here. I'm trying to think of a candy.
Oh.
Okay, so are you more like peanut brittle? Is that such thing?
Oh yeah.
Peanut brittle or, I don't know, just a regular lollipop?
Peanut brittle.
Peanut brittle.
For sure.
Okay, and then the last question would be In-N-Out burger or McDonald's?
In-N-Out. 100%. And there's one right there.
Yeah.
I'm going there after.
All right, well, thank you so much for participating in the 8 this or that.
Yay, I loved it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So quick and easy. So all my eaters that are watching, definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell and check out Jill from Yester Kitchen whenever you can. I will go ahead and put her link in the description box below at the same time in the iCard in the screen somewhere here. All right, and so what do I like to say? What do you like to say on your videos?
I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below.
Oh, I always just drink a martini.
Oh, and she makes martinis. Yeah. So I like to say always expand your mind and explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my eaters. I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Definitely click on this one or that one. All right. That was cool.
That was perfect.
Wow.
See, it's
I know,
good
right?
it's good to not practice.
Impromptu.
I love it.
Impromptu. I think it was like less than 5 minutes.
What you say.
Oh, really?
Yeah, very much.
Aw,
like
thank
I don't
you.
have a tagline. I have like more of a tag paragraph.
Oh, a
So-
paragraph.
Well, it's like three. It's like 3 sentences.
Okay.
But so yeah, that would be too long. I love yours.
Oh, thank you.
I love yours.
I'm thinking they have a Yelp, right?
Oh, they definitely do.
Right?
Yeah.
I would have to
They definitely do.
Yeah.
He was actually shouting out his I think it's IAG Moore Park is there.
Oh, Instagram. Check out their Instagram whenever you can, right? Sandwiches or I don't know. Let me cut that one out because I'm drawing a blank. Trying to think.
I'm more adventurous.
Forgot to mention to my eaters that I know for a fact that one day, no, this is gonna happen. Yester Kitchen, Jill's gonna come up with a cookbook. I am. Yes, it's revealed now on my channel, but definitely check it out because she's gonna come up with an awesome cookbook. Stay tuned for that. Yes. Exactly. Yes. Woo! Okay.
All right. Thank you. See, now you put it out there. Now I have to do it.
Exactly.
I'm stuck.